Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the built-in cheat system in Retroarch step by step. First open Retroarch and go to the main menu. From there select Online Updater, scroll down and tap Update Cheats. This will download the cheat files, so wait until it's done. Once that's finished, back out and launch the game you want to use cheats on. Make sure the game is running. Now open the quick menu, scroll down and choose cheats. Select Load Cheat File, Replace. Then find the console your game is using. After that, choose your game title from the list. You'll now see all available cheats. Turn on the ones you want, then scroll up and tap Apply Changes. You can also enable Apply After Toggle or Auto Apply Cheats if you want them active every time. Go back to your game and that's it. Your cheats are now enabled and ready to use. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.